In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a trial balance report in QuickBooks Online. This report is an essential tool for verifying the accuracy of your bookkeeping. By comparing debits and credits across all your accounts, you can ensure that everything is perfectly balanced. To get started, first you need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL http://qbo.intuit.com. When the page loads, you'll see fields prompting you for your username and password. Carefully enter your credentials and then click on the Sign In button. It's as simple as that. You're now inside your QuickBooks Online dashboard, ready to unlock the full potential of your financial data. Next, let's navigate over to the Report section. You'll find this by looking at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Click on the word Reports. This is your gateway to all the insightful financial snapshots QuickBooks offers. From here, you're just a couple of clicks away from obtaining the trial balance report. Within the Reports section, there's a handy search bar right at the top. In this search bar, type trial balance. As you start typing, you'll notice that QuickBooks generates a list of possible matches. Once you see trial balance appear, give it a click. This will take you directly to the trial balance report page where we'll configure it to fit your needs. Now that we're on the trial balance report page, it's time to set the appropriate date range for the data you wish to analyze. QuickBooks offers several convenient options such as this month, last month, this year, or even a custom date range that you can manually define. Once you've set your desired time frame, move your cursor over to the Run Report button and click it. This action refreshes the data, ensuring that you're looking at the most accurate and up-to-date information. Now, let's conduct a thorough review of your trial balance report. The page will present a list of all your accounts displaying the respective debit and credit balances. What you're aiming to accomplish here is verification, specifically making sure that the total debits and total credits are in perfect harmony. This equality is crucial as it indicates that your books are balanced and free from errors. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully accessed and reviewed your trial balance report in QuickBooks Online. This report is a powerful tool that provides a comprehensive view of your financial standing, serving as a foundational step in accurate financial reporting. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful QuickBooks tutorials.